Welcome back to Shepherd's Garage. We're here with this 75 Dodge truck. We're going to install that 318 that we were working on in the last video. I know the 318 content's getting kind of old, but it's what we're working on right now, so that's what we got to do. Hopefully we can get this in this video and maybe we can make the brakes work a little bit and we can maybe do some burnouts without the bed on it. That'd be fun. These tires are garbage anyways. Shouldn't be too bad to put in. Same engine came out of it. Okay, we'll get this thing lifted up. This will be an hour. Not the grill. They just fit with the hood on. Gentle. Stop. This is going to be really close. Ooh, I should have took that out probably. Good thing it's no good. Oh, not the stickers. Oh. Anything bad happening? Not bad. Okay, go down a little more. Hopefully it just falls right in. That would be great. No, I just get a little closer. Then we gotta go back for sure. I think it should be in the front hole, that lift plate. So maybe we'll try to get it back and see if we can kind of set it down and move that. Maybe without breaking stuff. Sit down. Lay down on something. Hit the tranny. Nice. I don't know what we're on, but it stopped going down. Back up. Yeah, it's a little more straight now. What am I gonna do? Let's go. Is that mount in at all? No. Okay. Whoa. back. Go up just a little bit. Okay. I think we're in on both sides. Yes, we are. Now, let's hope that there's enough room at the back for it to sit down in the transmission. That's unfortunate. Okay, wait. You're gonna have to go back up. Might actually kind of want to go into the tranny if we go back up. Okay. Oh my, no way. Nobody move. I think it just fell right in. Oh, not quite. God. So, I think it's close. No, not quite. We're close though. But it felt like it. Oh no. It's close and now it's not. Nope. Can you push it back? Okay. This is always so fun.
More fun than figuring out a kickdown.
Oh, that's right on the money. You hear that?
Yeah.
Try to keep kind of just a little pressure on that maybe. I don't feel crazy, but I can't see. I think we're right on though. It's mint. Pretty freaking close. So, if I get some bolts, I think we could tighten that up a little bit. Well, we have the engine sitting in here. We don't have it bolted down or anything. I got a couple bolts into the transmission. I just want to see if these headers are going to fit or if we have to lift the engine up a little bit to get them in. This dipstick out of the way. Well, this side fits anyways. Let's try this other side. This side is always tighter on these trucks. To be honest, it's not looking good. There's a couple things in the road here. What does that go to? That must be the kickdown linkage. Oh yeah, it is for sure. That's got to go up there. So, starter wires, get them out of the way. See if I can slide her in or not. Might have to lift the engine. Yeah, let's try lifting the engine. I might have to go through the up from the bottom, but see if I can just lift it up. The tranny's bolted basically, so. We got those headers in, but it was quite a fight on this side. I had to jack the truck up a little bit and the engine, and had to bring it up through the top or up through the bottom. This side went pretty easy. Like I'll move on to getting the transmission bolted up fully in the torque converter. Maybe even get the starter in now. Okay, I just got to get these bell housing bolts in here. There's this tin plate that goes up in here, and then the starter. But I gotta get the torque converter bolts in first. I think here would be easier. We're gonna put this Holly carb on here. It's an old one. It was originally on this truck. It had the other engine in it, but this is what was on it. We're gonna use it. It's probably something like a 650. It's a vacuum secondary, and hopefully it works all right. It's been sitting for a long time, but I'm pretty sure that these headers are gasketless. They have like around each like opening in the flange, there's a little piece that sticks out, and it seems like any of the gaskets that we have don't really line up right. I think these also, they do have like leftover silicone on them from before. I'm just gonna silicone them and see, but I'm pretty sure that's the way they're supposed to be, is gasketless, because of that little bump that they have in them. Got this thing all buttoned up now. I did everything off camera because you've seen it before. It's not that exciting. We don't have any valve cover gaskets, so we can't do too much here, but I can get it fired up, see how it sounds, open headers, stuff like that. There's still tons of work to do on this truck, but at least it'll run and drive. I can move it in and out of the garage under its own power. I got coolant in it and changed the oil. Headers are on, carbs on, all that fun stuff. It should be ready to see what happens. Get the battery hooked up here. Got crank. Yep. Okay. Everything's done. There's a handheld oil pressure gauge on it so we can see what's going on there. I got fuel going to it from the boat tank. Let's just see, I guess. See if it'll fire off. Okay, I switched a few things around here. It's running again. See if we can get it running for a minute. fast. Better turn it off before the oil catches fire. But anyways, that's it for this video. I wanted to drive it, but we don't have valve cover gaskets, so that's what it is.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching.